We all know bananas. They're the go-to snack, the breakfast staple, the smoothie essential. Whether you're grabbing one on the go or blending it into a delicious smoothie, bananas are a versatile and beloved fruit. But have you ever stopped to think about where these yellow wonders come from? The journey of a banana is more complex and fascinating than you might imagine. It's a long, tough journey from the plantation to your plate. From the moment they are harvested, bananas undergo a meticulous process to ensure they reach you in perfect condition. Let's get our hands dirty and explore the fascinating world of banana production. From the soil they grow in to the hands that tend to them, every step is crucial. Bananas, believe it or not, don't grow on trees. Instead, they grow on large herbaceous plants that can reach impressive heights. They come from a plant more closely related to ginger. This surprising fact highlights the unique nature of banana plants. These plants thrive in warm tropical climates. The right conditions are essential for growing healthy, abundant banana crops. That's why you'll find huge banana plantations in places like Ecuador, the Philippines, and Costa Rica. These regions provide the perfect environment for banana cultivation. These countries aren't just producing bananas for themselves. They play a vital role in the global banana market. They're the top exporters, sending millions of tons of this fruit across the globe each year. The global demand for bananas is immense, and these countries meet that demand with their vast plantations. It's a massive operation, providing jobs for millions and feeding families worldwide. The banana industry supports entire communities, offering employment and economic stability. But it's not all sunshine and sweet profits. The banana industry faces numerous challenges, from unpredictable weather to pests and diseases. Growing bananas is tough work, full of challenges and risks. Farmers must constantly adapt to changing conditions and threats to their crops. Let's take a closer look at what it takes to get those bananas from the farm to your table. The journey is long and complex, but the result is a delicious fruit enjoyed by millions around the world. The life of a banana starts with a rhizome, a root-like structure planted in the ground. This rhizome is the foundation of the banana plant, containing all the nutrients and genetic material needed for the plant to grow. From this humble beginning, a new banana plant emerges. It starts as a tiny shoot, barely noticeable, but with the right conditions, it quickly begins to grow. It grows fast, shooting up towards the sun. The plant's rapid growth is a marvel of nature as it stretches higher and higher each day, reaching for the light it needs to thrive. Within a year, the plant is huge, reaching heights of 20 feet or more. This rapid growth is essential for the plant to establish itself and begin the process of producing fruit that's taller than a giraffe. Imagine standing next to a plant that towers over you, its leaves rustling in the wind high above. Big, broad leaves unfurl, creating a shady canopy below. These leaves are not just for show. They play a crucial role in photosynthesis, helping the plant convert sunlight into energy. Underneath those leaves, something magical happens. Hidden from view, the plant begins to form a flower bud, a sign that it is ready to produce fruit. A flower bud emerges, eventually developing into a hand of bananas. This transformation from bud to fruit is a complex process, involving pollination and the growth of each individual banana. Each plant produces just one bunch of bananas, but that one bunch can weigh over 100 pounds. This heavy load is supported by the plant's strong stalk, which has grown sturdy over the months. The bananas grow in clusters, called hands, along the stalk. Each hand is a group of bananas that have developed together, sharing nutrients and space. Each hand can have 10 to 20 individual bananas, known as fingers. These fingers are the bananas we eat, each one packed with nutrients and flavor. That's a whole lot of potassium. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, which is essential for maintaining healthy muscle and nerve function. After about 3 to 4 months, the bananas are almost ready for harvest. But how do you know when it's the perfect time? Farmers look for a few telltale signs. The bananas should be plump and have lost their angular shape. The flower at the end of each bunch will dry up and fall off. Here's a trick of the trade experienced farmers can actually hear when a banana is ripe. They tap the fruit lightly. A dull thud means it's ready for picking. Harvesting these heavy bunches is no easy feat. It's physically demanding work that requires skill and precision. Around the world, banana farmers have developed different methods for harvesting these precious bunches. In some places, it's a one-man job. The farmer uses a long pole with a curved blade to carefully cut the bunch from the stalk. In other regions, it's a team effort. One worker supports the heavy bunch while another makes the cut. The bunch is then gently lowered to the ground, ready for transport. Some plantations use more modern techniques, like cable systems. These systems help transport the heavy bunches from the field to the packing stations with more efficiency. No matter the method, one thing remains constant: respect for the fruit and the hard work that goes into producing it. Section 5. The Long Journey. From Plantation to Plate. The story of a banana's journey is one of meticulous care and attention, ensuring that each fruit reaches your table in perfect condition. Once harvested, the banana bunches are carefully transported to packing stations, often right on the plantation. This initial step is crucial to maintain the quality of the fruit. Here, they're washed, inspected, and sorted by size and quality. Each banana is handled with care to ensure it meets the high standards required for export. Any damaged or bruised bananas are removed. This step ensures that only the best bananas make it to the next stage of their journey. The best bunches are selected for export, destined for supermarkets thousands of miles away. These bananas are chosen for their perfect ripeness and appearance. The bananas are then packed into cardboard boxes lined with protective plastic to prevent bruising during transport. This packaging is essential to protect the delicate fruit. These boxes are loaded onto refrigerated ships, where they'll begin their journey to consumers around the world. The refrigeration is key to preserving the banana's freshness. The journey can take several weeks, depending on the destination. During this time, the bananas are carefully monitored to ensure they remain in optimal condition. During this time, the bananas are kept at a cool temperature to slow down the ripening process. This controlled environment ensures that the bananas arrive at their destination ready to ripen perfectly for consumers. Section 6. Battling nature's fury challenges for banana farmers. Growing bananas isn't for the faint of heart. It's a tough business, and farmers face a constant battle against Mother Nature. Hurricanes, floods, and droughts can wreak havoc on entire plantations. Pests and diseases pose another major threat. Insects can damage crops, and fungal infections can wipe out entire fields. Climate change is making things even tougher. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns are creating new challenges for banana farmers. Despite these obstacles, banana farmers persevere. They're constantly adapting, finding new ways to protect their crops and ensure a sustainable future for this vital industry. Section 7. A Fair Deal. The Fight for Ethical Bananas. The banana industry has a complex history, marked by both progress and exploitation. In the past, workers on some plantations faced harsh conditions and unfair wages. Today, there's a growing movement towards ethical and sustainable banana production. Fair trade and organic certifications are becoming more common, ensuring fair prices for farmers and safe working conditions for laborers. Consumers play a crucial role in this movement. By choosing fair trade or organic bananas, we can support a more just and equitable banana industry. It's about making sure everyone involved in the banana supply chain, from the farmer to the consumer, gets a fair deal. Section 8. Beyond the Peel Banana. Byproducts and Innovations. Did you know that almost every part of the banana plant can be used? The leaves can be used for roofing or wrapping food. The fibers can be made into ropes and mats. Even the peels, often discarded as waste, have value. They can be used to make compost, biofuel, and even vegan leather. Scientists and entrepreneurs are constantly finding new and innovative ways to use banana byproducts, reducing waste and creating new opportunities. The humble banana is a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of nature. Section 9. A World Without Bananas. The Threat of Disease. Despite their resilience, bananas face a serious threat disease. One disease in particular has the potential to devastate the global banana industry: Fusarium wilt, also known as Panama disease. This soil-borne fungus can spread quickly, wiping out entire plantations. There's no cure, and once a plant is infected, it's doomed. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop disease-resistant banana varieties. But it's a race against time to protect this vital food source. The future of the banana and the livelihoods of millions who depend on it hangs in the balance. Pause 3S. Section 10. The journey of banana chips. The process of making banana chips starts at the farm where ripe bananas are harvested. These bananas are then transported to the factory where they are peeled, sliced, and fried to perfection. At the factory, the bananas are carefully peeled to remove the skin. They are then sliced into thin pieces, ensuring uniformity for even frying. The slices are fried until they reach a crispy golden brown texture. The chips are then seasoned, packaged, and distributed to stores worldwide. It's a fascinating journey from plantation to snack aisle, showcasing the versatility of this incredible fruit. Next time you munch on a crispy banana chip, you'll know the story behind every crunch. Section 10. Going bananas for a sustainable future. The next time you peel open a banana, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's taken. From the tropical plantations to your local supermarket, it's a testament to human ingenuity, hard work, and our interconnectedness. But we can't take bananas for granted. We need to support sustainable farming practices, fair trade, and research to combat diseases. By making conscious choices, we can ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit. Let's go bananas for a sustainable future.